Welcome everybody who's never been to my channel. I like to explore some things. This is my old high school. Go Aviators. As you see, their symbol is, an airplane with a big A. And that right there's their auditorium. But they have a mascot here that's kind of unique. And I'm going to take you over there to see it now. This right here is the Alliance High School's mascot. Yes, it's a plane. And I really like the symbol on the back. This right here is a Navy A-7 Corsair. It arrived from a naval base of Memphis, Tennessee, and it was dedicated to the school September 20th, 1991, and was fully installed on December 7th, 1991. I really like that. The name, the Aviators, it was adopted in honor of Charles Lindbergh. On August 3rd, 1927, shortly after a famous transatlantic flight, Lindbergh flew over Alliance, Ohio. As he passed over the city, he tipped his wings, a pilot's gesture of greeting and acknowledgement while flying over the home of a friend who lived here. This event sparked so much local pride that the high school officially adopted the name Aviators. If you notice, the airplane's got its wings tipped. That's in honor of Charles Lindbergh. It's called tipping its wings. Now, he tipped his wings in 1927. And this plane Robert Lee Hart. Black, once I say black shoe, you can get close to this thing. I want to try to zoom out a little bit. As you see, the engine's not in it. There's the seal number. Looks like it needs a little power washing. Don't think I can get that high. That's pretty cool. And there's the sign out front for the school, right beside the airplane. As you noticed, it's on a busy highway. This thing is massive. And this school is pretty cool because if you turn around, and I'll try to get through the trees, this will be my next video, you'll see a castle, a legit full-size castle in the middle of Ohio. Now, this is the Alliance High School's auditorium. Sorry about my finger there. And it's named after Mark A. Anderson, which I went to school with. He was a really good guy. He died overseas. I think it was Desert or the Gulf War, or no, it was one of the Gulf Wars. But they built onto the auditorium. Super nice guy. And just to give you a size difference how big this airplane is out front, I'm standing right beside the gymnasium, Those things are an amazing plane. Sorry, I keep getting my finger up in the way here. Still learning. Thanks for joining me to see the Alliance City Schools Mascot. A nice big airplane out front, tipping its wings to the city. If you like this video, hit the like, subscribe, and thumbs up. Thanks.